Are you looking to capture the interest of that special someone? The key lies in igniting her curiosity and sparking her interest in you. Once you've established this foundation, you're on the path to building a lasting connection with any woman who's caught your eye. In this guide, I'll unravel the mystery of attraction and set you on the road to success. Whether you're navigating the complex world of online dating or seeking to reignite the flame in your current relationship, these tips will prove invaluable. Let's face it, as men, we often become complacent once we're comfortable in a relationship, and that complacency can quickly extinguish the spark. So let's dive into the art of attracting her attention without coming across as desperate or needy. 1. Avoid needy behavior. Neediness is the ultimate attraction killer. It's like a repellent that sends women running in the opposite direction. Needy behavior manifests in constantly seeking her approval, being available at her beck and call, or inundating her with messages. Instead, focus on cultivating self-respect and independence. Show her that you have a life outside of her, one that's fulfilling and interesting. Pursue your own interests with passion. Maintain your friendships and social circle. Don't drop everything just to respond to her texts or calls. This doesn't mean playing hard to get or ignoring her. It's about striking a balance where you show interest while maintaining your own life. Let her see that while you enjoy her company, your happiness and self-worth don't depend on her attention or approval. When you demonstrate that you're a complete person with or without her, you become infinitely more attractive. This self-assurance creates intrigue. She'll wonder what keeps you so confident and self-contained. This curiosity will naturally draw her towards you, making her want to be a part of your interesting life. Remember, the goal is to add her to your life, not make her your entire life. 2. Master confident body language. Your body speaks volumes before you even utter a word. Mastering confident body language is crucial in attracting her attention. It's about how you carry yourself, how you move, and how you occupy space. Stand tall with your shoulders back and your chin up. This posture not only makes you look confident, but also feel more confident. Make eye contact when you speak to her, but don't overdo it. Aim for a balance enough to show interest and confidence, but not so much that it becomes uncomfortable or intimidating. Use open gestures when you talk, keeping your arms uncrossed and your hands visible. This openness in your body language signals that you're approachable and confident. Lean in slightly when she's speaking to show interest, but maintain a respectful distance. A genuine smile can be incredibly inviting. It shows warmth and approachability. Practice relaxed, fluid movements. Avoid fidgeting or nervous gestures like playing with your phone or jingling coins in your pocket. Remember, confident body language isn't about puffing yourself up or trying to dominate the space. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and projecting that comfort outward. 3. Make her laugh. Laughter is a powerful tool in attraction. A good sense of humor can instantly make you more appealing and memorable. But this doesn't mean you need to transform into a stand-up comedian or have an arsenal of jokes ready to fire. It's more about finding humor in everyday situations and not taking life too seriously. Share funny observations about your surroundings or tell a humorous anecdote from your day. Self-deprecating humor can be effective, but use it sparingly. You want to come across as confident, not insecure. The key is to keep things light and playful. Find common ground in the humor you both enjoy. Does she appreciate dry wit, slapstick comedy, clever wordplay? Tune into her style of humor and play to it. Most importantly, don't forget to laugh at her jokes too. Showing appreciation for her sense of humor can be just as attractive as making her laugh yourself. It demonstrates that you don't take yourself too seriously and that you can appreciate wit and intelligence in others. A shared laugh creates a bond, a moment of connection that can be the foundation for deeper attraction. 4. Challenge her interest. Women are often intrigued by men who present a bit of a challenge. This doesn't mean playing mind games or being difficult. It's about engaging her in a way that makes her want to pursue you. Have opinions and don't be afraid to respectfully disagree with her sometimes. engaging in playful debates or banter can create an exciting dynamic. Ask thought-provoking questions that make her think. Show that you're interested in her mind, not just her appearance. Challenge her perspectives in a respectful way. If she shares an opinion, don't just agree, ask her why she thinks that way. Share your own views and be open to discussing different viewpoints. This intellectual stimulation can be incredibly attractive. By challenging her intellectually and keeping her on her toes, you create a dynamic interaction that she'll find exciting and want to continue. It shows that you see her as an equal, someone whose thoughts and opinions you value. This respect, combined with the mental stimulation of good conversation, can be a powerful attractant. Remember, the goal is to create engaging interactions, not arguments or confrontations. 5. Foster emotional connections. While physical attraction is important, fostering an emotional connection is key to lasting interest. This is about creating a deeper bond that goes beyond surface-level attraction. Share personal experiences and be willing to be vulnerable. This doesn't mean dumping all your emotional baggage on her at once, but rather gradually opening up and showing your depth. Listen actively when she shares her own experiences and feelings. Show empathy and understanding. Reflect back what you hear to show you're truly listening. Find common ground in your values and experiences. Maybe you both value family, have a passion for travel, or have overcome similar challenges. These shared experiences and values can create a strong emotional bond. By creating this emotional connection, you become more than just another guy. You become someone she feels a genuine connection with. This emotional intimacy can be incredibly powerful in attraction. It makes her feel seen and understood, creating a unique bond between you. Remember, the goal is to create a genuine connection, not to manipulate her emotions. Be authentic in your sharing and your interest in her. 6. Build sexual tension. Sexual tension is that electric charge between two people who are attracted to each other but haven't acted on it yet. It's a delicate balance. You want to create excitement without being crude or pushy. This tension can make interactions thrilling and increase her attraction to you. Use subtle physical contact, like a light touch on her arm when you're making a point or standing close to her in a crowded space. Maintain eye contact a beat longer than normal. Use playful innuendos or flirtatious comments, but always be respectful and ready to back off if she seems uncomfortable. The key is to suggest possibility without being explicit. This creates an exciting anticipation that can be incredibly attractive. It's about the unspoken, the potential energy between you. By mastering the art of sexual tension, you create an atmosphere of excitement and possibility. This can make her think about you long after your interaction has ended, anticipating your next meeting. Remember, building sexual tension is about subtlety and respect. It should never make her feel uncomfortable or pressured. 7. Power of detachment. Perhaps counterintuitively, one of the most powerful ways to attract her attention is to detach from the outcome. Instead of focusing on whether she likes you or not, concentrate on enjoying the interaction for what it is. Be present in the moment rather than worrying about where things might lead. This detachment, paradoxically, makes you more attractive. When you're not desperately seeking her approval, you come across as confident and self-assured. You're more likely to be yourself and let your natural charm shine through. This attitude takes the pressure off both of you, allowing for a more relaxed and genuine interaction. It shows that you're secure enough to enjoy the moment without needing any particular outcome. This detachment also gives her space to develop her own feelings without pressure. It allows the attraction to grow naturally, without force. Remember, true attraction can't be coerced. It needs to develop organically. By focusing on the enjoyment of the interaction rather than the end goal, you create an environment where genuine attraction can flourish. This approach not only makes you more attractive, but also leads to more authentic and satisfying connections. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.